Hi everyone, it's Dani here with my lovely model Molly. We're going to create a very natural and achievable makeup look on her today. First off, I'm going to start by doing some color correcting and concealing with our Spectrum Color Correcting Duo in light to medium. I'm applying this under the eyes and also on her eyebrows. They are a little bit red, and any kind of spot concealing I want to do before I put on my foundation. So you can see her under eyes just look so much more bright and even, and it's such a good base before you apply the rest of your complexion products. So I'm applying her foundation with the F47 multitasker brush. I'm setting her under eyes with our Illuminating Powder. It is beautiful on mature skin as well. It doesn't settle into any fine lines and it makes the skin look really smooth. This is our matte bronzer in light, just adding a little bit of warmth to Molly's face. Don't need to do too much contour or anything. She has some nice structure already. And I'm taking the shade Berry Love and applying this on her cheeks with the F76 chiseled cheek brush and blending that upwards to kind of give her a lifting effect. Then I'm going to top that off with our Tiger Lily blush, which has a little bit of luminosity to it. It brings just a beautiful glow to the face, and then also our Savannah highlighter just right on the cheekbones. This formula is so smooth and velvety. Again, it will not settle into those fine lines. Let's get some brows done. This is our Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo in light, and I'm taking this on a really tiny EO6 brush and just shading in her natural shape of the brows. I initially covered up her brows a little bit with their Spectrum Color Correcting Duo, just so I can match this better to her hair color. We are going to use the gorgeous New Mod palette today. Some really beautiful mauve tones that suit anybody. I primed her lids with Preppy, and now I'm going in with the shade New Mod, and I'm having Molly look straight ahead so I can kind of map out where I want the color to go. A lot of times when I'm blending out crease shades, I like to really buff it out, kind of blow it out, but not with a model like Molly. As we age and as gravity gets the best of us, our skin tends to droop a little bit. So I'm keeping and concentrating that color right on her eye, and I'm not pulling it out any further than the edge of her eye. This will give you a lifting effect and just make your eyes all around more bright and open. So when Molly opens her eyes, like right here, you get a beautiful wash of colors. Just so natural but so pretty. Next, I'm applying the shade Posh right on the lid. And it's a beautiful shimmer shade. Don't be afraid of shimmer. It will look absolutely beautiful. Keeping that right on the center of the lid and blending it out very softly. And my battery died when I was doing the eyeliner, but I just took the darkest brown in the palette, the shade Grunge, and softly lined her upper lash line. I'm taking New Mod liquid lipstick and overlining just slightly to get a plump effect on the lips, curling the lashes, and applying a couple coats of Sinuosity. This is great mascara for building up the lashes. And then on my EO4 fan brush, I'm going to separate and define the lower lashes. A final touch up, and Molly is ready for her photo shoot. Thanks for watching.